Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Lightroom, and by doing this you can also batch edit, so you can put the watermark on multiple images and export them all at the same time. Okay, so let's work with one image first. I have just my little ant photo. So you go up to File and then Export, and if you scroll down you'll see where it says watermarking, and you want to make sure that that box is checked, and then you go over here and you can edit your watermark. Okay, so mine already has my name, so we'll just change it to my business name. Okay, and then you can change the font here. Let's see if they have the one I usually use. Yes. Okay, and then you can change color here. I don't worry about the shadow too much, I kind of just keep that unchecked. And then you can change the opacity. And you can change the size, or you can fit it or fill it. So I'm just gonna do this so I can manually change it. Okay, and then this is where you can move it. The only thing I don't like about doing watermarks in Lightroom is that I don't have a lot of control over where it's placed. Basically, I have to keep it within this area here or in one of these placements. So I'm just going to place it in the corner for now. And then I just hit save. Up here, you can also upload a graphic. I don't have my logo right now, but that's another option as well. So then you're going to hit save and name your preset. Okay, so now it should be set. So when I export, let's try and do multiple ones at the same time. So I'm gonna select the first one, and then I'm gonna hold down Command, and I'm gonna just click 2 more of these, and then we're gonna right click, export, export, make sure that watermark is still, yep, okay. Then you can find it in our documents. Documents or desktop? Desktop? Okay, and you can see when we click on these, the watermark's in the corner. Yay! And yep, it's doing it for all 3 of them. Perfect. So that's kind of how you do it. I prefer Photoshop for watermarking just because I can make a brush with my logo and just stamp it on. The only problem with Photoshop is that you can't batch edit your watermarks. But you still have more control over like the font and what the design looks like and stuff. All right, I hope that helped.